This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, good morning. Welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video we are going to be doing daily technical analysis for gold, US dollar, currency pairs. We'll do our analysis from the daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame and understand the current trend of the market and present support and resistance levels from the higher time frame to lower time frame. So when we look at the economical events calendar for Monday 11th June, we have lots of low impacting news planned on Monday. We have a tentative medium impacting news for JPY related currency pairs. And when we look at the high impacting news at 7:45, we have news planned for British pound related currency pairs. And we don't have any high impacting news for US dollar related currency pairs. Let us begin our analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the current trend of the price action from the daily time frame, I'm drawing a support line or a trend line. From this level, we have noticed the price action to continuously go on a bullish trend, taking support on these levels. And presently, we have noticed the price action to bridge this previous trend line or the support line. So the downtrend is very strong in gold for now. And as a rule, when the price action breaks this support level, whenever it tries to retrace or trend back on the bullish side, this trend line will be acting as a resistance line for the future price action. So we can expect little bit of consolidation or a retracement before it goes on a bullish trend reversal. Let us look at this part of the price action more closely. So from the past price action, we can understand that the current trend of the price action is in a very strong bearish trend, and also it has broken the very strong support line or the trend line, which means that downtrend is very strong. So I'm going to draw a channel pattern to understand how far the downtrend can continue. So this is a bearish channel pattern which has a resistance line and the support line, and previously we have noticed price action to come down and it has tested this support line. Then only we have noticed the price action to trend back on the bullish trend reversal. Again it has trended down, taken support on the previous trend line. Then we have noticed the price action to trend back on the bullish trend. So currently what are we noticing? We are noticing the price action to trend down on the bearish trend. So looking at the past price action, there is more probability that price action will come and test this support level before taking a bullish trend reversal. So the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend, and there are more chances for the bearish trend to continue until it comes and tests this support level, and then we can expect a bounce back or the trend reversal from this support line. So we have some more space for the price action to fall down, and this analysis is based on the past price action. And when we analyze this midline or the center line, whenever the price action comes on a bearish trend reversal, it makes a retracement, retrace this resistance line. Then we have noticed the price action to continue with previous trend, which is the bearish trend. Here also when the price action went on a bullish trend, we have noticed it to cross this resistance line. Then it came back to support on this midline. Then we have noticed a price action to continue with previous trend, which was a bullish trend. So currently we are noticing the price action to break this support line or the midline. Now we are noticing the price action to retrace, to retest on this resistance line or the midline. We can expect the previous trend to continue, which is the bearish trend. And also we have the previous resistance line from the past, which is crossing exactly at this level over here, which is going to be acting as a very strong resistance line when the price action tries to trend back on the bullish side. And when we take the Fibonacci's extension tool and understand the current retracement levels also, this crossover or the midline is crossing exactly at the level of 0.5% of the Fibonacci's extension tool. So this 0.5% level is a very strong resistance level. So if the price action continues its retracement also, we can expect it to bounce back from this level of 1775. Only when the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect the further continuation of the retracement. And also we have the resistance line from the bearish channel pattern. Only when the price action breaks this resistance line, it will be a bullish trend reversal. Until the price action is trading below this resistance line, it will only be a retracement or a bearish trend continuation. It is not a bullish trend. Currently we are noticing the price action to consolidate within the resistance level of 1752 and support level of 1731. So if you want to get the confirmation on the bearish trend continuation, wait for the price action to break the support level of 1731, upon which you can take a bearish side trades. This level is acting as a very strong support zone, because when we look at the price action on the left hand side also, we have noticed the price action to consolidate, then to make a bullish trend reversal in the past. So the price action has to break this support level in order to fall further on the bearish side. Next level of support is going to be around 1677. We have noticed the price action to test this support level, then to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal. So this level will be acting as a very strong support level if the bearish trend continues, and also it will be the 100% retracement of the bullish trend it has made previously. So from the daily time frame, we understand that the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend, and currently it is trading in a very strong support zone between the support level of 1752 to 1731. So these are all the support and resistance levels for daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we analyze the price action in 4 hours time frame, I have drawn one more resistance line and the support line over here. In the past we have noticed a price action trying to break this resistance line, but it couldn't break this resistance line, and also it was trending on a bearish trend, and eventually it gave breakout from this support line or the trend line, and we are noticing the price action to trend on a bearish side. So in 4 hours time frame also we have noticed a price action to give a clear breakout from this support line, and currently this support line is acting as a resistance line when the price action tries to go on a retracement. So if the price action doesn't break this resistance line, we can expect the downtrend to continue in 4 hours time frame also. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, it is still in a very strong downtrend. Currently the price action is consolidating within the resistance level of 1752 to 1730. Previously also we have noticed the price action to consolidate, then to continue its bearish trend. So wait for the price action to break the support level of 1730 in order to take a bearish side trades, because we know that previously the price action was in a bearish side and it is under a consolidation or gathering enough momentum to continue its bearish trend. Next level of support is going to be around 1678, and even if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1752, it will only be a retracement, and next level of resistance is going to be the resistance level of 1776. On the bullish side we have lots of resistance levels, so which will prevent the price action in continuing its bullish side retracement. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. So when we look at the price action from the 30 minutes time frame, I am drawing a support line. So previously we have noticed the price action to take support on this support line and it has given a breakout. Then we have noticed the price action to bounce back from this resistance line on the bearish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. If you are finding my analysis to be useful, press that like button right away. It will be a way of encouraging and supporting my analysis. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. In 5 minutes time frame, I have drawn a resistance line and a support line where we have noticed a price action to take support and to trend back on the bullish side. And currently we are noticing the price action to trend on a bearish side. Wait for the price action to bounce back from this support line in order to take a trade on the bullish side, and if the price action breaks this support line, it will be the continuation of the bearish trend, and next target is going to be the higher time frame support level of 1731, which means that it will be breaking the bullish channel pattern in 5 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. From the higher time frame, the current price action is in a range bound market. As long as the price action doesn't break the support level or the resistance level from the higher time frame, it will continue to trade on a range bound market in lower time frames. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this analysis to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.